What is the best way to sanitize and keep your cold plunge or ice bath water clean? Well, I'm cleaning up after our event just now. It's a perfect time to show you guys, so follow me in the trailer and we'll get to it. Okay, so as far as sanitization goes, I use a combination. For spot cleaning, I use MediClean germicidal cleaner. Dilute it 1 to 2 ounces per gallon. That's how I clean up after. Like if you ever empty your cold plunge or you want to clean the rim, that's a great one. And then for ongoing maintenance daily, I use 35% peroxide diluted. Look in the description, I'll show you the exact breakdown I use. Also go to Box Plunge. They've got a good calculator on there for your ratio. And then I'll show you guys, I have UV sterilization hooked up on this. So each one of these cold plunges has a UV light plumbed into the back, so all the water filters through that UV light and goes through there. So that's gonna get you sanitized, right? You're gonna use your MediClean germicidal cleaner or whatever kind of germicide you wanna use to disinfect. And then I like to use these magic erasers, my germicidal cleaner. I'll literally just throw some gloves on, squirt this down, go through here, rub all the spots with it. As I fill it back up, I believe I'll put 2 ounces of 35% peroxide in this one. And then as I kick on my pumps, the UV light automatically comes on and filters it that way. I hope that that helps you guys. This is a commercial setup, so if it'll work for my use case, it'll definitely work for yours if you just have it in your home gym. If you buy a bottle of 35% peroxide, it is going to last you forever. So I'm gonna show you a few other things that I use for our cold plunge trailer here. Like I said, just got done doing a huge event. So the first thing that I'll do whenever I leave an event is fire up my Ego. This is the 800 CFM, fire up my Ego blower, and I will blow everything that I can out of here. If you don't own one of these, they throw out some serious air. These are great. I'll put a link to this in the description as well. If you can buy any of this stuff through the channel, please do, helps us out a ton. After I get done blowing out the big stuff, I will take my Ego cordless 9-gallon vacuum and I will vacuum out, once the cold plunges are empty, I'll vacuum out the bottom of those because this is a wet vac. So I'll vacuum out the insides of the tub to get all the grass, grime, all the stuff that people leave in there. And then as well on the floor, I'll hook on this squeegee attachment and I'll literally vacuum the floor and get all the water out of this floor. Guys, I came up with all this stuff on my own. There was nobody really to tell me how to do it other than the UV light and the peroxide. Like the way that I do it is out of practice. It's what we've come to learn is the best way to do it. Like I said, commercial setup here. We usually put 30 people through these plunges a day. They see a lot of use. Whenever I can get the trailer, whenever it's clean actually, I wanna do a complete walkthrough with you guys, show you what I did for the trailer. I think it turned out great. But anyway guys, I hope that helped on how to sanitize your cold plunge. If not, drop a line in the comments if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. Get in the gray, baby.